Recap of O and U sound words. Children, write down in your English classwork, copy once and then start reading. Hello children, very good morning. Today we are going to have a recap of O and U sounds. See, in the last week we already done this, and the past 1 week you are reading this lesson. Mean you are familiar with the words. So today we will be writing it in the classwork once as a recap, and you will practice it. Okay. So try to read directly like TOM, Tom and Tup, Tom and Tup, like that. Okay, try to read. When you are finding it difficult, then use phonics, Tom. Okay children, so once we will read in this book and then we'll go to the classwork. Tom and Tup. Bob, look carefully here. Bob has a dog. D-O-G, dog. Bob has a dog. Tom. Tom. It's in page number 19, phonics reader. Tom has a pup. Tup. Tup. Bob got a bun. Bob got a bun. Tom and Tup gulp the bun. Yum, yum. Tom and Tup gulp the bun. Yum, yum. Here G-U-G-L-P, lip. Gulp. Okay. Tom and Tup lick. L-I-C-K, lick. M-I-L-K, milk. F-R-O-M, from a big cup. What did Tom and Tup do? They lick the milk from the big cup. Okay, what you are reading here, you can see the pictures. Look here, Tom and Tup gulp the bun. See here how they are gulping. Yum, yum. They are eating faster, right? Yes. So Tom and Tup lick milk from a big cup. Tom and Tup hop and jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Tom and Tup hop and jump. Bob, Tom and Tup run with fun in the sun. Tom and Tup hop and jump. Tom and Tup hop and jump. Bob, Tom and Tup. Bob, Tom and Tup run with fun in the sun. Okay children. So next we have all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. vowel sound. So this is quite little bit bigger topic. So we will do this after your first unit test. So for now you read the 3 vowel sound lessons, that is A and E and I and O and U. Okay, the recaps. It is there in the classwork. Use the workbook to read so that you can look at the picture, understand and read. Okay. Fine children. Now take your English classwork. Here write once in the class workbook. Okay. Start with the date 16, 12, 21, Thursday. Recap of O and U sounds. This is third chapter, top and tup. Top and tup. Now, Bob has a dog, Tom. Tom has a pup, Tup. Bob got a bun. Tom and Tup gulp the bun, yum yum. Tom and Tup lick milk from a big cup. Tom and Tup hop and jump. Bob, Tom and Tup run with fun in the sun. So after writing in your classwork, try to read and recall. See, the previous topic was Ben and his red bin. Now even though we are in this topic, you have to read this. When you have time, try to read so that you don't come out of the practice. You will get you will be fluent in reading. Okay children. So phonics helps you to read easily. So make use of it. Keep reading sometimes when you have free time. After your homeworks, you can take a book, sit and read. Okay. So we are done with the recap. Copy this in your classwork and then 1 page of your cursive writing. So in our previous class, we did L pattern, L, letter L and H. Cursive letter L and cursive H. We have done. So today we are going to do the next letter. Children, you are going to write this cursive letter in the book which you are writing, like all the letters, cursive letters where you are writing. Continue with that book. Now I'll show you. See, here you already learned the pattern L. How to write L? Slanting line, touch the red line, take a loop, standing line and a curve. Right? This is L. So today we are going to write P. Cursive letter P. So this is also very easy. Slanting line, loop. You know till here, right? Cursive letter, slanting line, touch the red line, loop, standing line. Standing line and the slanting line has to meet on the blue line. Standing line, the standing line comes up to down red line. So cursive letter P covers the 4 lines. Okay, slanting line, loop, touch the red line. I'll show you again. See, slanting line, loop, standing line, touch the red line. From here you don't remove your hand, just go up straight. Here you make a back curve or hump and a curve. This is P. Touch the red line, go up, make a hump. Okay, this is P. Cursive letter P. Now write 2 times. Try to write without lifting your hand. See here. Okay, now try to write without lifting your hand. Slanting line, standing line, touch the red line, go up, P. Initially it will be a little bit tough, but as you practice it will be fine. So I just showed this L pattern. Forget about this L, don't write L here. Using the L pattern we are writing P. So this is cursive pattern for P. Slanting line, touch the red line, turn back. Here slanting line, loop, standing line, touch the red line. Slanting line, loop, touch the red line, go back, hump, like how you wrote H. Okay, this is P. See here, children, don't lift your hand. Now with this curve, you are going to continue again P. Slanting line, okay, this is cursive letter P. One page, today only one letter. Start reading. O and U sound words. Write once in your classwork. Do the reading and you can send it to me. Send the video. Okay? Fine. I'll see you in the next class. Today, children, along with this, I am sending you a art and craft video also. In that, we have shown you how to make the craft for Christmas. One activity you need to choose. That all the details is been given in the video itself. Do that also, children, and get prepared for your Christmas activity. Learn the rhymes, jingle bells. Okay? Fine. Take care, children. I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.